Master the use of titles and honorifics in English emails. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an important aspect of professional and respectful communication in English: titles and honorifics. These may seem small details, but when you're drafting an email or a letter, using the correct titles and honorifics can make a big difference in how your message is received. Titles and honorifics are forms of address that show respect, denote a person's professional or academic status, or provide information about their marital status. They usually come before the person's surname or full name. Examples include Mr., Mrs., Doctor, and Professor, among others. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common titles and honorifics used in English. Mr. This is a title used before an adult man's surname or full name. It doesn't indicate marital status. Mrs. This title is used for married women before their husband's surname or their own surname. Ms. This is a neutral title for women, used regardless of marital status. Miss. Traditionally, this title was used for unmarried women, but its usage is becoming less common. Doctor. This is used for people who hold a doctorate degree, such as a PhD, or for medical doctors. Professor. This title is used for people who hold a professorship at a university. It's crucial to note that if you're unsure about which title to use, Mr. or Ms. followed by the surname is typically a safe and respectful choice. Always capitalize the first letter of the title and follow it with a period. Full stop. For instance, it should be Mr. Smith, and not Mr. Smith or Mr. Smith. And that's a wrap for our discussion on titles and honorifics in English. Remember, these seemingly small details can greatly enhance the tone of respect in your communication. By using them correctly, you can make a good impression and maintain professional and courteous relationships. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, keep practicing your English writing skills, and you'll continue to improve. See you in our next lesson.